everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sterling and I'm the artist here behind Cactus Lady Creation, and right now I'm on a quest to go through all of my yarn left over from other projects and all of my leftover fabrics from old clothing and make as many pieces as possible with them. And right now I have a stack of basically cutoffs of old jeans. Like here is an old pair of jeans that are completely worn out with holes, and I also have used a little bit of it for other various projects. I also just have some various just offcuts of jean, and so I am just various offcuts of jeans from other projects. And so I was thinking of making something with them in this video. I'm thinking of making some kind of top. I've seen quite a few different really cool tops on Pinterest lately that have kind of inspired me to use these jeans to make something with them. And a little while ago in another video, I also took a pair of thrifted jeans and I sort of gave them a bit of a facelift with some crochet elements. And so I'm thinking I might do the same thing in this video, but with a top. And so I'm thinking I want to create some kind of piece that has lace ups on the side or on the back, and then some kind of strap element that is crochet to go along with it. So I'm just gonna take you on the ride with me of creating this, and let's see what we make. So I just had a quick look at all of the different sort of fabric jean remnants that I have, and I found this really cool piece, and I think that this could be really cool to turn into a top. I'm thinking it could be cool to sort of trim the bottom off and make it a little bit shorter, and then sort of cut it along the bottom. And it has these pockets from the jean, these kind of pocket insides that I might let hang down. I think that could look kind of cool. And then maybe make some kind of a crochet bottom to it, add some kind of crochet trim along the bottom, and then make a strap from it. So let me go ahead and cut the bottom part. All right, so I went ahead and made a blanket stitch along the inner back side of the piece, and instead of doing it in a way where it kind of comes vertical along the edges, I just did it in this way that's kind of horizontal. And so now I'm going to do a bit of crochet. I think I'm going to do a half double crochet in each of the stitches and maybe work 2 rows on each side. So I finished the strap. It took a bit of working and then reworking to kind of figure out how to do that kind of shape. And so I'm really happy with my work here. And so now I just need to create a strap for the back. And to do that, I'm gonna try using the Kato I-cord knit machine to see if it could create a really cool strap for the back. And I'm gonna use just this acrylic yarn that I've had lying around for a while. And let's see if it makes a really nice cord. So I really liked how this piece turned out, and I especially really loved putting the little slits in down the side because it kind of mirrors the pants that I created. And I was trying to figure out whether I should tuck it in and do more of a tailored look, but I decided to do this and kind of make it into more of a peplum sort of shape. So I really loved how it turned out and the I-cord, and I'm really excited to make a few more pieces like this as a part of this Upcycle series. I'm also thinking of doing some thrift with me videos and thrift flips. So if you like the way that any and all of those things sound, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe and click the bell if you want to join along with me for this Upcycle Diaries series. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.